Meet magical souls, and welcome back to one of my favorite magical videos. Happy All Hallows Eve month, witches. It's such a beautiful magical time of year. It is doing a Witch's Moon unboxing, and today we're doing the Witch's Bounty unboxing. I'm so excited to see what magical bougie witchy jewelry piece is gonna come in this month's box. So without further ado, let's open this baby, and you can go ahead and find them in the comment section down below in my description box. What is in this baby? Ooh. I smell stuff that smells really witchy, and I always forget, guys, so let me go ahead and open this little info card, tell you the theme and what they say the month's box is about, because I always forget to tell you. Ooh, Flight of the Raven is the theme of this month's Witch's Bounty box, guys. Flight of the Raven. As we travel into the dark half of the year, we embrace the deep spiritual connections that create the world around us. The sacred season is a time of psychic and vibrational fine-tuning accomplished through divination, spirit guide communication, and interpretation. We truly work to connect with those things that are not seen, but rather felt through energy and emotion. It is often true that the messages we receive through a spiritual and energetic practice are the most transformative and necessary for growth. We have created and sourced the items within this collection to assist you during this beautiful time of year in enhancing your psychic sight and allowing you to easily receive messages from your guides. Love that, could use that. We urge you to take the time that is given to you this dark half of the year as a gift. Be fearless and steadfast towards committing to your spiritual growth so that you may carry this power with you throughout the coming years. The magical items in this box are as follows. So, ooh, Flight of the Raven is the theme of this Witch's Bounty box, guys. I am so excited. So let's see the cute Book of Shadows artwork. Ooh, no way, it's a Tektite box, guys. Are we getting some cool, like, Liberian Desert Glass, Moldavite, or just Tektite? Ooh, this looks pretty. It's like a high priestess, a kick-butt witch up in her black dress with the raven. Very beautiful and magical, and it says Tektite on there, so ooh, there's gonna be a Tektite pendant for sure. What is in this baby? This looks like hay too, guys. It's so cute because the color they use looks like hay. It's like perfect for this time of year. Ooh, and the cord they gave you is a beautiful black cord that you can use. And ooh, I just want to open the necklace first, guys, because this looks like very exciting. What is in this baby? It's a huge box too, just like last month's box. It was so big. What does this look like, guys? I can't even see it. Oh my god, are you freaking kidding me, guys? I've been saving this because I've been wanting like a raven bird looking necklace pendant for a while since seeing Maleficent wear it. Literally got the Maleficent book up there. I think in the first Maleficent movie, guys, she had the ring on her finger that was like a bird head, and then her second movie, I saw it like on her, basically, guys, in the second Maleficent movie, she had it like on her crown, on her necklace, so I am in love with this. This is so beautiful, and it's a Tektite, I believe, so this is gonna be some strong kick-butt magic. I'm in love with this, and this is so fitting, guys, for the season of the witch. I love that song, it's so magical. So let's read more about this baby. So this is a hand-carved Tektite raven skull pendant with cord. This beautiful Tektite raven skull has been hand-carved and capped with 925 sterling, made to fit your specific piece of Tektite perfectly. The raven has been such a strong personification of magic throughout the ages, associated with many gods and goddesses such as Morgan and Odin. Often represented as the messenger, the raven truly embodies mysteries, omens, courage, and shamanism. It is often said that when the raven appears, magic is near. If you so happen to catch a glimpse of the raven during dream work, success may be closer than you think. Energetically, the raven brings us closer to our true potential when working to manifest through spell work and intention setting. This requires wisdom that is found in hidden and secret knowledge that can be passed throughout the energy of the raven, sent by our guides and ancestors to unveil and interpret. As we work with the raven, we step into a higher consciousness, allowing us to learn and maintain enlightenment throughout our practices. We have also chosen Tektite to be the carrier of this energy as it also brings potent storm energy into your aura and space. Often debated, tektite is a result of meteorite impacts, often speculated to be either a meteor itself or a fusion of terrestrial and extraterrestrial material. Similar to moldavite, this stone carries the enormous ability to raise vibrations, allowing us to communicate more clearly with our internal teacher, as well as outsider guides. As you meditate with tektite, visualize your preconceived notions about the world. As you meditate with tektite, visualize your perceived notions about the world dissolve, allowing you to travel to a space where your perspective is undiluted and pure. Here you'll be able to receive messages, visions from other sources. Elemental correspondences is storm, chakras associated awe, affirmation, I fearlessly step onto a higher plane of being, searching for wisdom and knowledge, knowing that my guides and helpful beings await. Blessed be. This is so beautiful, guys. I love how this is tektite because this is like it said on there, so in tektite, guys, there's moldavite, Liberian desert glass, just natural black tektite. So the natural black tektite is not as strong or as powerful as moldavite. I think it's all about your own personal experience with it, guys. Moldavite is very powerful for me, and I do feel the energy of the tektite too, and I can't wait to get a piece of Liberian desert glass. So this is going to pair well with my little moldavite pendant necklace that I can pair with this baby. Oh, I love this so much, guys. I'm so going to be rocking this for Season of the Witch, and totally going to have to add this to my little Halloween costume because I think I'm going to be a witchy vampire, so I'm loving this pendant, guys. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to put it on. It's amazing. So without further ado, without my rambling, let's get into this box. So I'll show you guys the info later, and I'm just gonna unbox more things in this box. My cat's sniffing everything. She's so cute. She's all like, what's going on? Oh my gosh, guys. It gave me such a big piece of tektite, guys. Oh my god, I love this. It's so huge. And I love how you can see the raw meteor in the front and there's grooves in it. This would be cute to add to my altar. This is just amazing. I'm so excited to work with this energy, guys, and connect to God, the Ascended Masters, Goddess Nyx herself, and all of those good things. Connect with my spiritual team. Definitely gonna help enhance and open your crown, third eye chakras, all your upper ones as well as your lower. Ooh, I love this, guys. I can't wait to work with the beautiful energy of tektite. So not only do I have it on a pendant, which is enough energy, but now I got this baby too. All the magical vibes, helping enhance my power and magic and intuition. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Witch's Moon, for sending me this month's Witch's Roots box. I am in love with it. Let's go ahead and unbox some more of this baby, guys. Let's see what this incense smells like. Ooh, this smells really good, guys. This has a very light, faint scent that smells very witchy, mysterious, magical, and a little dark too. Definitely dark as in like shadow work, shadow season, so that is perfect. And ooh, there's a magical oil for this month's box too, and it looks like there's a candle in there. Let's see what oil this is. I love how they packaged this so good with the bubble wrap and the other stuff so it's not gonna break on you. Ooh, I'm so excited. This one is Morgan Anointing Oil. Ooh. You guys can see so much beauty in here, so much of the herbs. It's so beautiful and witchy. There's lavender. I love this so much. And I can hear and see the little clear quartz. Oh, there's actually a pretty big clear quartz in it this time, guys. I see a big quartz point. So, ooh, let's smell it. This smells very witchy. This smells very good, guys, and very witchy. I'm so excited with like the Halloween vibe of this month's box. It's just amazing because out of all the months, it's like you have to get it this month. It's the witchy month. Save your money. Get your Witch's Moon boxes this month, especially the bounty box for some kick butt statement jewelry that you can add to your Halloween attire if you're just going to be your magical self on Halloween. This anointing oil is the Great Queen Morgan. It has become a prominent goddess energy within our practices, pushing such power and perseverance into our work known as foretelling the outcome of war and battles. Ooh, she's often depicted as the raven herself. This is very beautiful. I love this so much, guys. I'll definitely have that close-up shot at the end of the video for you guys to hear a little bit more about that if you want to pause and read. And ooh, this looks like a cute little black spell candle. Perfect for some magic. I love doing these for simple spells, guys, or you're just gonna pray. I like doing this because Goddess Nyx loves praying to her when you pray with her with candles and not incense. So this is just beautiful, cute black beeswax candle. I love this, guys. So let's see what it says more about this oil. She's often represented as the Raven herself. As the goddess of war, she encourages us to move more valiantly onward, showing courage and lack of fear. The Morgan magical oil has been created with pure intention of bringing the energy of encouragement and fearlessness into your aura and sacred space. Use this energy as you work through your divination and shadow rituals. I'm very getting the shadow ritual vibe from this month's box, guys. I love it. As you cultivate your energy each day, allow this anointing oil to be your companion. Feel the overwhelming connection between you and your divine purpose. Connect with the higher vibrations of your work. Knowing that your journey is filled with truth, you have enchanted this oil with oils of lavender, cypress, jasmine, and patchouli, as well as special mixture of our own Raven magical oil from our own personal cabinet of witchery. And it looks like along with lavender, vervain, and mugwort herbs have also been included with the mini Lemurian quartz crystals. Love that so much, guys. And it looks like the little candle is Light of the Raven spell candle. We have hand-wrote the spell candle with the intention of enhancing your ability to communicate with your guides. As you allow the flame to dance, visualize all mental and physical shadow to slowly dissipate and all that good stuff. Ooh, I can't wait, guys. This month's box is so beautiful. I'm so getting the vibe and the message of shadow work, beautiful darkness, like witchy season of the witch, of wizards, of all beings of magic. It's just such a magical time of year, and I'm loving everything, guys. This pendant and the tektite is amazing, and I can't believe it, guys, because the value of this box is insane to have 2 pieces of tektite. At a normal shop, guys, you can just get this pendant for like a couple hundred or 100 something, and even a piece of tektite. Like, to get everything for this value, the artwork, the tools, the info, the incense, a whole little witchy kit. It's just so amazing. I'm in love and can't wait to wear this beauty, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down in the comment section. My little cat Maleficent, guys, so be sure to turn on those likes, notifications down below, and all that good stuff like you always do. And be sure to check out the Witch's Moon boxes, guys. This one is the bounty box with the jewelry pendant, and it's amazing. And like always, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in Goddess Nyx's holy light. So mote it be.